Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to crochet this lovely stitch. Okay, Rosa is the lead who asked me to do a tutorial. And on my previous, you will see that I did the border. Again, she asked me how to do it. I will put the link below so you will know how to do the edge. And then I also did a different tutorial, a different stitch she asked me to do. And this is another one she's asking me. It looks like the basket weave stitch done at crochet. It is done in 10 double crochet and then 10 the twist stitch, and then a repeat again 10 double crochet. She's trying to show here how that's see how she's grabbing it from the back, and then how she's doing the double crochet, and then she's doing another double crochet, and after that she's repeating it. She's grabbing from the back. Just that grabbing it from the back gives that nice lace look, and then she's repeating double crochet and then grabbing it from the back. So for today's tutorial I will show you how it's done. Okay, let me just come back here. I bought this yarn. Remember, I did a video on how for where the yarns are sold in Rosa Rayhan Charsa. So I bought a couple of this yarn. I'm going to be knitting a baby blanket, and I have extra yarn here. So I just wanted to show with this yarn. It's a baby blanket. It's a baby yarn. And it's called anti-pilling. So this is the reason I grabbed this, and the color matched what she wanted me to knit. And I think it's a nice color. It's like a cream coffee color, and I like it. It's 100-gram yarn, and it's super soft. Like, it's unbelievable soft, and it's 100 premium anti-pilling acrylic. You can order this on Etsy. There's lots of Turkish people selling, so you can go and buy it from there. Okay, so just grab the desired yarn you want to crochet with, and the crochet hook, it's saying 2, but I'm gonna crochet it with a 3 that I have here. I have a 3mm crochet hook. Okay, so what I did is I just did the chainless foundation chain double crochet technique, and I have a tutorial on how to do that as well. You just go here and then you just do your crochet. So I did total, forgot to count, but I'm going to, instead of doing 10s, I'm going to do 5s for demonstration purposes. So let's say you change multiple of 10, and then you're just going to start crocheting this stitch. Okay, so I'm just going to do 5 double crochets, just a regular double crochet. Oops, pull them at once. It's supposed to be a double crochet, not a half. So I did my first double crochet, my second, third, fourth, and fifth. It's supposed to be 10, but for demonstration I'm just doing 5. Okay, and here we're going to start that stitch that everyone's having problem how to do it. Okay, she's trying to show, but it's really hard for me to see, but I'm assuming this is how it's done. So I'm going to do that lacy look. This was okay, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to skip this one and then do a double crochet, just a regular double crochet, and then the way I see it, she's grabbing it from the back from here, that's the one that we left. So you can do it this way, it's easier. And you just do a double crochet. It gives that twist. See, can you see it? Okay, so again, I'm going, so this is 2. So I'm going to skip this one and then come here. And I'm going to repeat yarn over, and then I'm going to go between here. The way she's holding the crochet hook, it's making it easier for her to do it, but I am not holding the crochet hook like that for that reason. Okay, so you know what, I'm going to do 6 because it's double. Okay, so I'm going to skip this one. Skip this one and then jump to the next one. Just make a regular double crochet just like this, and then the way she's holding it, it's easier for her to do it. For me it's not, so I'm going between from the back just like that from the back. Oops, lost it. Let me see if I can show it from here. See this one that we skipped, so we go from there and we grab it like this. There, wait, you can do it that way. And then you make a double crochet. No chain, nothing. And then you go, so we did 2, 4, 6. And then we just continue making double crochets like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to be 10, okay? Just want to point that out because I don't have time to knit a baby blanket, but I will do this stitch. I will definitely grab the same cream color because it looks way better on the cream. I don't have cream with me. So we did 5. Just pretend this is 10 and this is 10 and this is 10. And then we're going to do that lacy stitch. So we're skipping. So we're just making a double crochet. And then we're going from the back. We're grabbing that one that we skipped. And then we make a double crochet. Just like this. And then again we skip. And then you come from here. Ta-da! Let's pretend you did 10 and you're doing your double crochet and you're chaining 3, and we're repeating what we did. Okay, so we're going to make our double crochet where we did the double crochet. And then we're going to jump, skip 1, make a double crochet. The one that we jumped, we go between the back and we grab it. I don't know what that guy is saying. It's hard to hear him. Okay, we're skipping this one and then we're coming here, making a double crochet. Sorry about that. Okay, and then we make a double crochet from the back. Okay, and then we continue making our double crochets. My throat is so dry. Sorry about that. I have a terrible cold and I just couldn't resist not to make the tutorial ASAP. I'm way better, but I lost my voice. It's because of the time change, the weather change. It was cold, chilly in Edmonton, Canada, and here in Turkey it's pretty warm compared to there. Okay, and we just do our double crochets. So you're going to ask me, okay, I'm going to go back and show you in the picture. It's 10 stitch double crochet and 10 rows of double crochet. again 10 stitch of this lacy look, and then again 10 rows, and you change it. You may put the lace on top of here, and then you put the double crochet on top of there. Okay, just to point that out. It's a very easy stitch. Just that twist. Okay, and then did I count how many? I think I made a lot here. Okay. Okay, so we're going to skip this one and then make a double crochet on the next. Then we're going to make a twist just like this. Go between from the back and grab that, and then make a double crochet. Oops. Okay, again skip this one and jump here, make a double crochet and come from the back and grab those V's, then make a double crochet. Okay, skip the first and go to the second. And then make another one. Okay, and then grab the last 2 stitches and then continue making double crochets. Okay, just like this, and then you continue crocheting. So you just repeat, and then you can see how it looks like. I know the color, I think it looks way better on a cream instead of a coffee. So I'm just going to continue a couple of rows, and I'll come back to show you how to change. I'll be right back. Okay, before I do that, I just wanted to show, okay, as you can see here, okay, here she done 2 roses, and then this one is on the back, on the third. So I'm going to show you how that's done before I let you go and crochet. So here, as you can see, this is nice, but on the third row, it's done from the back. So she just grabbed it and crocheted it here. It gives that nice 3D look. So from the back, okay, let me just show you. She didn't grab these 2. Remember we did the 2 here, but on this third row, this is how she done it. So it gives that nice, see, when you look at hers, and the lace is done just regular, nothing different. So don't forget that on the third row, third, and then you just repeat. So 2, 4, 6, it looks like she's done 6 rows, not 10. Just like this. Okay, so I just wanted to show how it looks when you do the back loop. And I just did the same repeat, and I'm just doing the back loop again on the double crochets. Just like this. I'll come back. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It looks like a square to me. So I'm going to change. I'm going to make double crochets here and make the lace here. Double crochets and make the lace here. To do that, I'm just going to make double crochets on each, just a regular double crochets on each. Here, just like this. 2, 3, 4, 6, and I'm just going to do the lace on the next so it separates. So I'm going to skip one, always skip one, and then come back from the back where you skipped, just like this, and grab that skip, then make a double crochet. Again, skip one and then jump, and then come back and grab where you skipped. And this is all to it, so you just repeat what you're doing, just like this. You skip, then you come back. Again, this is done 10-10. 10-10. Okay, my memory is almost ending, so I just wanted to show you how this this lovely stitch is done. She asked me to with her permission, and I have showed you how it's done. Thank you very much for watching my tutorials. Please subscribe and share, and happy crocheting!